Okay, let's look at it. No, that's totally not what I've asked. What have you read the lecture? You need to read the lecture. This is totally not what I've asked. You're not in one of the main rule of video game. It's on a treadmill. It is not moving forward at all. It is staying like you're on a treadmill. So that just doesn't work. All right, that should not go anywhere. Those should not even exist. Those keys. They need to be completely taken out. All right. So you're gonna have to redo a lot of those at work. I can see that. Yeah, that's not gonna work at all. In video game, you don't move. You stay on position right here. Now you move your character right here. It says do not move forward. Stays on the treadmill. You can go up and down, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't work if you don't do that. You know what I'm saying? The game engine do not take that. So it has to be on a treadmill. So you have to redo everything. So there's really no... Yeah, same thing for the feet. Everything needs to be redone. They need to stay in position just like I did in the video. You're not following up the video on the thing. You need to follow up the rules of video game. It doesn't work. So you need to redo it completely.